Bobbi Boss. I'm a little confused. With this one. Like, don't get me wrong, the curves are bomb, the curves are popping, but like everything else on this unit, I'm just like, I don't understand. Like, look at this. I don't know what's going on with it. Like, girl, it's a no. I'm feeling like the cowardly lion right now. Like, what is going on?
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you and made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. Healing my health and appearing aloud. Stealing your ceilings, my head's in the clouds. Feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Dropping you stay so you know I'm around.
Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the
Okay, I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking your cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spout, standing your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Epic Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, giveaways, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this new unit that's on my head. This one is from Bobbi Boss, and it is in the style MLF 314 Roxie in the color number 2. So the construction on this unit, you do get a 4-inch lace part. Honey, this bad boy is not pre-plucked whatsoever. So you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with this singular parting. This is supposed to be a middle part, but I did not like it in the middle. I felt like it was, I don't know, there was just something too bulky about it. I feel like it just didn't look realistic, so I did shift it. It is labeled as a free position wig, so it does say you can shift it. I'm not really feeling it. I feel like it looks better than it did in the middle, but the fact that the part is so straight, like, it just looks weird to me. So the length of this hair is super long. So the texture on this unit is listed as a natural kinky blowout with curls, and I feel like it is giving me that as far as the texture is concerned. It's definitely reminding me of the Sensational Curls and Kinks collection. It feels pretty soft, but it has that synthetic-y feeling, if that makes sense. This unit is coming off small and medium head friendly. I wouldn't necessarily consider it big head friendly because it is feeling a little bit snug on my head, so definitely keep that in mind. So I want to just show you guys this hairline. It is so dense. Like, I don't know what Bobbi Boss was thinking with this. Honey, they give you like a tiny bit of lace at the front, but like, I feel like it's not even enough to really do anything with it. You see how bulky that is? Super bulky. Let me just show you guys a 360 of what this unit's looking like all around. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My cons are, number one, going to be the hairline, the fact that it's not pre-plucked whatsoever, and there's so little lace that I don't necessarily feel like there's much that you could really do to sort of mask it. So I feel like that's a big downside for me, because even if you are somebody that likes to customize your units, they give you so little lace that there's kind of not really much that you could do, so you're kind of stuck with what you get is what you get. So I'm not really a fan of that. Another downside for me is going to be the density. I do love big curly hair, but this one's just coming off a little bit too much for me, especially considering the texture and the fact that it's gonna grow so much. The pros of it are, I do love these curls, you guys. They are so beautiful. I do like the fact that the parting space is so like cleared, if you want to say. So like if you did wear it in the middle, I feel like it's just not really much work. You literally just have to smack your powder on there and go. Other than that, I mean, I really can't say anything else about it, I guess. I feel like the curls on this is enough for me to try to salvage it, but I don't know what to do to salvage it. You feel me? Like, girl, what do I do? But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.